Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. Today is day 5 out of Trinity Stamps 12 days of Christmas, and today's theme is home decor. And let me tell you, the word home decor and paper crafting in general really scares me. So I have a couple of go-to things that I would like to create that I really enjoy having around the house, and this is one of those that I really think is beautiful and also perfect for the season, that you can give away and the recipient can have it like exposed during the holiday, I suppose. So I pulled out the shears die set as well as the bottle gift tag die set. You can see I already cut it out of some pattern paper from Trinity and a piece of vellum. You will see me change this up a lot. And the shears die, I just took the champagne glasses here and cut them out of some mirror cardstock. And I fibble around with adhesive as always, just to put them at the right space and have the perfect dimension. And I also decided to have some dimension in the background, and I will actually end up pulling all of that away in a second here. When I'm changing gears and went with a different pattern paper in the background, I will end up using this red piece for another card. And I also wanted to mention that these fun small dies that I cut out of this holographic paper as well comes with the shears die set, and it's perfect. It's really perfect. It creates its own embellishments, so you can have it like sparkles out of your glasses. I just love that idea. I think it's amazing. You can see here I'm changing my mind, deciding to go with the white paper instead, and I think that looks a ton better. I'm using some liquid glue to the back of my champagne glasses as well as my embellishments and the sentiment shears, and I will just press it down. I just love creating tags like this, or like bottle gift tags, because it's large. You have a lot of place or space to play with. Excuse me. And here is also a fun new product that I wanted to play with. So these are the glossy holographic enamel dots. Really pretty. I just used my tool here to pick them up and just place them down around my project here. I just love them. It brings so much like intensity to the project, if that makes sense. It really makes it come to life. Super nice. So here is our first project, soon finished. You just have to have one more to round everything out. So one down, and it's another one as well that you can pick up, deciding which one you like the most. The other one is just with white glitter in. Both are really beautiful. So here's an example of how it could look and how you can have it displayed in your house. So for my red tag here, I cut out of, this was actually a leftover from a previous project, the holiday die here, and it comes from the Simple Sentimental Holidays that was released this fall. And I wanted to use this angel, but I couldn't make her fit. So instead I changed gear again, and I pulled out some of the freebies from Trinity. So it's, I believe they have been having 7 of these freebies, one every month. And it's if you purchase or make a purchase at Trinity's website over $25, so it's not a lot, you get a die set for free. So I think that is a really nice touch that they are offering. So I decided to use these small, I just used 2 of them. And I believe they are called Free Bitty Botanical, and they are really lovely. So I just cut them all out of some solid white cardstock, and then I painted them in the colors that I liked, and then I will adhere them together with a couple of with just liquid glue, and then I use some dimension, and I will just use them around the card. So I think this turned out super cute. So if you have these, this was just one way of how you can use them, and I know it's a new one out this month. So check that out. I believe they have a picture over at the website where you can look at the newest one. If I remember, I can put a picture up here in the corner so you can see how it looks. Otherwise you can go and visit the website. By the way, all of the products except these flowers that you cannot purchase anywhere else except getting them as a free gift, but you can use any dice, small dice like this that you have already in your stash. I will link in the description box down below. So here it is, the second gift bottle tag, and I hope this inspires you to create some nice projects that you can have displayed out in your house. I also wanted to mention that with this 12 days of Christmas there is also a coupon code going on. So if you want to take advantage of that and also get a free gift with the botanicals, this is really a nice touch and something that I think you really should take advantage of. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, have a great day. Bye!